Hey guys, this is Yixuan.
This is Will.
Today we're gonna make some ceramics.
Ceramic.
Our inspiration comes from the documentary about Heath Ceramics in San Francisco, California, and especially from the lady Edith Heath. So today we're gonna make some classic forms that inspired by Edith, but we're gonna make them either functional or non-functional. I wanted to make a water bottle that's round in the bottom and then comes to square on the top. How about you?
I don't know yet. I have no idea, but I think I will come up with something during the process.
Of course.
Yeah.
Let's do it. This video is not just about us making ceramics. In the next couple of minutes, we will also share 10 ceramics tips for beginners. Stay tuned, we might drop some new skills for you.
Oh, the table is moving.
Oh, there we go. The first tip is about problem solving. There will be countless unexpected things happen during the art making process, and it will encourage you to face them positively.
This is teamwork.
You have to wedge your clay for 100 times.
But you do need a boyfriend to hold the table.
Not necessary. Yes, no kidding. Wedge your clay 100 times makes a big difference. By wedging, we will minimize the air bubbles in the clay, as well as to compress and prep your clay for throwing on the wheel and hand building. I need to do pattern.
You don't have to.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, today's episode's end.
Perfectly wedged. Thank you, Will. I'm gonna make a slab first, so I need to make this flat. Without a stable plaster table, it is very hard to practice the throw and stretch method to make a slab. So I decided to use a hard stick that Will found in the kitchen as my tool. It worked just fine. Pizza for you!
Where's your topping? How about this cylinder right here?
My slab is almost ready.
Good for you.
I need to make like a cylinder, probably around here.
Keep talking when you mentioned about a cylinder.
I'm gonna use this one to wrap, and then so it will be the container. One of the ways to make a cylinder is through slab building. By wrapping your slab around another cylinder object will greatly help the process. Make sure your slab is the right thickness and length to make it work.
Another way to make a cylinder is by hollowing out clay from your main object. You will have more control on how much clay to take out and what final shape you desire. I can even hollow a star shape here if I want.
As I finished measuring the top and bottom size of the cylinder here, I knew I won't be used a small piece at the moment. So here comes to the next tip. Always make your unused clay wet or moisturized by spraying water and wrap with plastic.
Does it look like film to you? Like the case?
Yeah.
After all the decision makings are done to build a piece, here comes my favorite part. Taking care of all the details, whether they should be smooth or textured. It takes patience, but clay don't lie. It will reveal your actions 100%. Bubble. You didn't say it. By the way, remember I say I don't know what to make at the beginning. I slowly figure it out. during the making process. So when you have an inspiration, don't keep it in the back of your head. Bring it to life and show it to the world.
Bear with me because we're revealing the secret weapon we learned next.
Vinegar.
Yes, vinegar. It is proved to be the best liquid to merge any clay-related gaps. Simply score the two joined surfaces and brush the vinegar onto the surface. Next, connect them with a gentle movement and then smooth out the exterior and interior.
Top. How do we make it square?
My giant 35 films.
She's cool. Yay!
It makes sense. Why did I just clean out my site? Because I need to document my work. Other than take picture of overall piece, I also recommend to highlight the great feature of your project. Don't share too much, but share just enough.
We finished!
My 35 film container. You can hide the film inside the container.
It was so cool.
No, yours cooler though.
The hardest thing is to do this round to square transition and still makes it looks good. And I messed up a step that is to seal the bottom, the last step, so I can't really refine the edges inside. What was the hardest part of yours?
Cutting those like tiny little holes. It took me a while.
What do you want it to do to improve?
Detail for the label. I like that how it looks like. Like you don't have a label or whatsoever, but you know what it is. How about yours? This is not the water bottle, right? This
No,
is
it's
like
not.
a vase.
Yeah, it does look like a vase.
Who the hell drink like
No, it's for you to pour water. What if I just pour one corner out? So it looks more like this.
What do now? Are you sure?
Kind of like this.
That hit the final touch.
I think that will make it look like a water container. Alright. That's it for today's episode. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and come back to see more videos. Thank you! Thank you!